Hello everyone, it's Daisy Dreams here, and today, Horse Riding Hills just, have another update today, and, I'm really excited about that, but unfortunately, you have to pay gems. Look at my gems. And the update is tandem riding right here. When you press that, this is the tandem riding course learning skills, and there's a ride with me tandem, and it's right here, friend, and it says carry your friend as a passenger on your horse. Take them with you as you ride around Meadowcraft. Great for role play. Buy once, unlock forever. Buy once. Look at all those gems, and I barely have many gems. Now let's talk about wild mode. Take a friend for a ride while you are on a horse. Bonus. Unlock wild mode for all your horses. Great for role play. Buy once, unlock forever. And it's here. Permanently unlock all the feature horses. And let your friend ride on your horses while you're in wild mode. Includes lifetime wild mode, unlocking all your horses and all your current and future horses. Permanently unlock all your current and future horses. Let your friends mount your horse with you and ride around Meadowcraft together. So that's it for the update. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you later. I don't have the unlock set up in this. No, it's not that. Bye! Please do something before I end this video. Look, this is very random, but I bought the backflip emote yesterday, and I like it. That was so random, but thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye!